Alright guys, I'm making this video so you guys can know how to reset the oil life on a 2017 or newer Honda CRV. Right now we're at 70, so if you're due for an oil change it'll say 10-15%, something like that. So I'm going to show you how to reset it. You're going to go to the home, you're going to go to settings, you're going to go to vehicle settings, and then we're going to go down to where it says maintenance info, and then we're going to select reset items. You can always reset your tire rotation, air filters, transmission fluids, spark plugs. You got a list of things there. What we're going to do for today is just the oil change. So we're going to click on the oil. It's at 70%, but I want to reset it just for this video. We're going to click reset. Maintenance information has been reset. Go over here to confirm. We're at 100% now. That's how you guys reset your maintenance required oil life for a 2017 or newer Honda CRV. Please guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, or comment for requests of new videos. Thank you.